had a very good and blessed Sunday. And today I have a special guest with me. His name is Ratan Jamatia, and he's a very famous and viral singer from Tripura. And he sang many unique songs in his YouTube channel and also in his Facebook account. So two of the famous songs I hope you remember are Lockdown is Jorawo, and the other one is Mulai. Yeah. Go Corona. Oh, that I haven't heard yet. So let's hear something from him today. Can you please play for us?
Lockdown is Zorawo, Tislung Besero, Kangrai Hakorang Kurmani, Kangrai Bekezagui, Dipor my Mazaya, Sesema Boho Kai Inha. Lockdown is Zorawo, Lockdown is Zorawo, Tisharukungo, Latia Hakorang Kurmani. Singdi by Sugzagui, Yaksui Robon Saza, Salnei Rongway and Lulaha. Lockdown in Zorawo, my Bumataya, Abu Mataya. Lockdown in Zorawo, Seller Mahasogza, Tumani Akaja. Lockdown in Zorawo, Lockdown in Zorawo, Keto Pantoro, Kucia Angkara Tangmani. Bosoi Zozagui, Hakor Kurmasi, Sibuk Simani Paisiwu. Lockdown in Zorawo. Kepal si Salia, kepal si Alia. Abu Masaya, my Bu Masaya. Haikede Matushinai, Sarenda Boho Haike. Lockdown in Zorawo. Yeah.
Awesome. I hope you guys liked it. Bye. How do I end this?